who treated the beach as a parking lot and drove straight in.
Here, voiceovers.
Thanks, buddy.
I need you, Connery. We're arrested.
On May 27, 2023, in Florida, deputies responded to calls about a woman speeding straight into the ocean. And perhaps these were the dumbest Karens they had ever encountered.
What happened?
I'm not sure. I was driving and they kind of stopped us and they said that we almost hit a child. I didn't think that we did. That's what they told us. I just thought that we got stuck in the water. We were just trying to get out of it, but that's what they told us, and we're just trying to.
And then there was so many people.
We're just trying to be accepted through everything and not.
And there was so many people.
Illegal.
Yeah, well, the people are down here because you can't drive on this part of the beach.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna and we got over here, and I'm so sorry.
We didn't think that we could do a U-turn around here, so we were just trying to keep going.
The officer pointed at the no vehicle sign, but Karen was unusually obedient. I thought I had to keep going.
I'm so sorry.
So who was driving, you or
I was driving.
you were driving?
Yes.
No,
I didn't think that we could do a U-turn. I thought we had to keep going.
Well, there's no driving at all over here.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna.
I know.
I really.
But where those rocks are and those poles that say no vehicles, there's no driving beyond
We
them.
have a sticker that says that we were parking like on the beach. We weren't.
Right.
So I take full responsibility. I was not.
No, sorry. Yes, please, like, and then there was so many people. Please help us.
Right.
And then there was so much of a crowd.
Hey, careful! Oh, shoot!
No, we weren't. I mean, like, shoot.
The car was stuck, and officers said it would take 6 hours for the tide to go down before towing it out.
So what do we do to get that car out?
Wait till the tide goes down? Can we about 6 hours?
So can we take out what we need from the car?
Yeah, give me some people. I wouldn't grab umbrellas or nothing, but if you got like bags or something, grab those. Grab those.
You need my ID too?
Yes.
Okay. So I need my person. Okay.
When it came time to face arrest for DUI and reckless driving, she didn't throw a tantrum like a typical Karen. Instead, she stayed polite and cooperative, truly the two most obedient Karens ever seen.
Or not. I don't want to get to this driving. No, you can't. We always had to take him back to the station and do it in the parking lot.
I did have a drink, yes.
Okay. Just
It was
one?
early.
But you know
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
My only part is in the back part, and I can't open the back part.
Okay, you can grab what you need.
Do you have more at home?
I have more at home, but not here.
Do you have a way to get home?
I'm not going home without her.
She's gonna go to jail. Okay? Alright, so you can go with her, or you can stay out and get her out of jail with bond.
And Mom's going to jail.
Right now, I think you're driving under the influence. Alright? Then we got reckless with multiple people over here. You're inches away from multiple people. Okay?
I can't.
So your best thing to do for her, instead of fighting with us and arguing with
No,
us,
I would not.
I'll tell you what her bond is. It's probably going to take us a good hour to do the paperwork, and then try to bond her out.
No, I'm not going to argue with you.
Okay.
I'm not an arguer person.
Okay.
I would never argue with you.
So what are we doing?
In full panic mode, she frantically called her husband to post bail, $1,000 total, 10% up front to get her out of trouble.
I will, but like, what do I do now?
You need to call someone and have them come pick you up. Are you hurt from any of this?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that we need to know about?
No. What do I do? What
You need to call someone to come pick you up. All right. Do you want your phone to go with you? You want her to hang on to it?
Go ahead and give it to her. She'll call my husband.
Okay.
Oh my God. Please.
Her bond's only gonna be $1,000, so 10% is $100. All right.
I will get her out.
Okay.
I can't.
So I'm gonna go get her in my car.
No, please.
No, it's.
Just do it.
I'm just telling you what's happening.
Relax.
What do I do?
Go ahead and
What do I
call Connery,
You got
okay?
her for a minute.
Just
Yeah.
call Connery.
All right, come on, Sarah.
do? You're gonna arrest me too?
No. Here's what's gonna happen. She's going You need to find somebody to come pick you up.
Please,
There-
don't
no,
leave
no,
me here. Please, I'm begging you.
Call somebody then.
I'm calling. Please don't go. I don't know where I am. Please,
I'm gonna tell you where you're at.
please don't leave me. Please, I'm begging you.
I'm right here.
Thank you for your services.
Thank you, buddy.
Connery, I need you for your service.
Thanks, buddy.
I need you, Connery. We're arrested.
What do you mean you got arrested?
Can you please, officer, can you tell him?
How's it going, sir? This is Deputy Holloway.
You know, she was flying that pretty fast. She almost struck a child. Child actually had to jump.
She was ran over.
Yeah.
She was ran.
That one too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another child.
2 feet away.
Yeah.
She flew right through us. 30 to 40 miles an hour.
From wherever you enter, all the way down there, all these people chasing after them, trying to stop them, they wouldn't stop. And
I mean,
chances
they
are,
drove right by all the signs that say, "Do not drive beyond this point."
but
They
chances
started
are,
off
if they
this-
didn't get stuck, they would have hauled us down here. They
Yeah.
probably would have hit something.
Right.
Did you talk to the pregnant lady that was sitting in the water that couldn't hardly?
She's filling out a statement right
That's what
now.
I mean. So how are they gonna get the car out?
Once the tide goes back down, we'll have to try to get a tow truck down here and tow it out. But we're gonna have to wait a while.
In the end, the other woman was arrested for drunk and reckless driving, while her car ended up stuck in the ocean. Lesson learned, never drive under the influence, especially on the beach. Driving into the ocean was already stupid, but